Mr. Fernandez, and today I want to do a little demonstration about how cartographers overlap drawings on satellite images. So here we are in Massachusetts, Cape Cod. You can see New York at the bottom, and we're going to do a little flight to the Giza Plateau, where the pyramids actually are located. So why don't we go there in 1 second? Good. So this is the aerial view of the Giza Plateau. You can see the three pyramids here. 1, 2, 3. The small Queen pyramids. The Sphinx is located here. The actual neighborhood of El Cairo, all over here. And the Nile River should be in this area over here. So thanks to Google Earth, we can actually have a 3D view of the pyramids, isn't it? Like this one. You don't see it very well, but if I tilt it, you can see carefully the 3D view of the pyramids. And you can go around, and then you can see how magnificent are Cheops, Khafre, and Mycerinus, the three pyramids that were built during the ancient times in Egypt, during the Old Kingdom, isn't it? But I don't know if you noticed that around the pyramids there are other tombs, because this is a large plateau. For example, behind the largest pyramid of Cheops, you can see what we call mastabas, which are other kind of trapezoidal tombs. And in front, they found what we call the boat burials. There is one here, and there are more in these locations right now, over here, being under excavation. But nothing of this is very clear if we don't have a map. If you are a tourist and you want to tour all this area, it will be very tricky just to walk in the middle of the desert. You can get lost. So based on a satellite picture, which is this one, cartographers can map and overlap a perfect drawing of the Giza Plateau. And actually they did it. Let me show you that file over here. There it goes. Now you have a perfect overlap of the Giza Plateau with all the sections that a tourist need to visit. And if I go closer, you can see how the 3D pyramids actually are protruding or passing through the map. So the map has a compass, the map has a scale, and we're missing here a key. However, we don't need it because the cartographers label each one of these parts. So you can overlap what a perfect map of the complex of Giza with a drawing map. And you can see how this is a layer actually, isn't it? Because if I tilt it like this, and I go to the ground, let's give you a view like this, then I can show you how this actually map is a layer floating on the satellite picture. Let me show you with that example here. Let's try to do this. And now, we're gonna go a little bit there. There it goes. I'm gonna make the map float over and say okay. And now you can see how actually the map, it's floating over the pyramids. It has been placed exactly on the location of the pyramids over there. So cartographers use the satellite picture, which is this one taken by the satellite, and overlap the one on the top in order to make maps. And that's how we make maps today, isn't it? If I go down again in altitude, I can just put it down and then put it on its place perfectly, isn't it? There it goes. One more time, you can see how this, I'm going to put it here so you can see how actually one, it's absolutely a replica of the other. The drawing matches perfectly the terrain. Let's watch it there. and I'm gonna just use this tab here, but there is no map there. And now the cartographer start drawing on the satellite, and then drawing based on the satellite image, and all the features appear back. So remember that for your classes. Any place that you want to create a map of in the world will start always with a satellite picture. Any place you want to do. Okay, good.